In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this interior door handle trim piece on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Now if you pull back on the door handle, you can see there's a little slot right there. You just want to take a small pick, get underneath that slot. You can pop that out. You can see on the back side there's some clips holding that in, the bottom clip and the two back clips. Most likely if you're replacing it, one of those clips is going to be broken. Now take the new one, slide it in. Now this is the opposite of taking it out. You put the bottom in first and then lock in the two top clips.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.